Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to learn how to rebatch a soap. Rebatching is all about fixing a soap to give it a new look or to improve the texture. And it is done in two ways. One is the double boiler method, while the other is cooking it directly on fire, but you need to set it to a very low heat. While for double boiler method, you need to put water inside the pot, and then you put your soap in a bowl and you put it inside the water and then cook it for 30 to 45 minutes. Now the reason for this rebatching is that when you discover that your soap is too hard, that means the caustic soda is too much and you need to add extra oil to fix it. Then if you notice that your soap is breaking into pieces, is crushing, then it means that maybe that chemicals might be too much and you have problem in your recipe. So what you need to do is to add oil to fix it too. Then if you notice that your soap was too soft, then that means water is too much, so you need to cook it so that the water can evaporate out of the soap. Another one is maybe when you want to add more perfume, more scent to your soap or color, you also use the same method. Then if you notice that your soap is not foaming, you need to rebatch it by cooking it, then you add your foam booster into it. Then if maybe you want to add more herbs or powder, the same method is also applied to it. So now what you need to do is, when you want to rebatch, you can see here, this is my soap, and this soap happens to be soft. So I use a grater, my grater, to grate it into small pieces, or I use my table knife, depending on which one is easier for me. So this is my soap which I crush into pieces, and now I'm going to cook it directly on fire. As you can see here, my soap is on fire. I'm cooking it directly on fire and it has started to melt slowly because I've set it into a very low heat. And once you have set it, you make sure you stir, you keep turning the edges so that you see each part slowly is melting. It's melting slowly. So as you can see here, my soap is well cooked. So cooked, it has cooked. So I'm going to bring it down. Yes, I'm bringing it down. Then I'll quickly transfer it to a mold. So this is my soap mold, which I'm going to transfer it into a mold. I'm done with my rebatching. So make sure I put all my soap into the mold, and I'll allow it to cool down. After cooling down, then I will unmold it. So when I unmold it, then allow it to cure for another 1 week, then which I will use.